Hola, hola, hello everybody. After my questions and answers video, some of my friends, including Aditi, asked me why I don't show my studio. So that's what I'm going to do today, show you my studio. Okay, let's go inside and let me show you first the less glamorous area. Is this corner, the messy corner, which I have some products, as you can see, in boxes. My printer that I had it, I'm always in work with that machine. Things for classes, scrapbooking papers, my trolley for classes. I have here this kind of, I don't know the word in English, sorry, that big drawer that you can pull out, and it's full of messy things, you know. This is a mess, but I didn't want to tidy it. I just really wanted to show you how I really have it. Here I have some silicone molds and my art daily. I have my DT stuff in separate boxes. So I have here something for classes, and this is for AV Studio, which I am brand ambassador. This is for La Tienda de las Manualidades. This corner, this is where I work and edit my videos. The wall here full of layouts, because I think it's nicer to have them this way instead of being in a box where nobody can see them. It's not that anybody is coming to my studio, but this way I can see them every day, all the time. And that inspires me and makes me happy. Why not? And this is my proper working place. So, as I told you in my other video, I always put these two trolley things on the sides of my chair. This is my working space. I have my glass mat here. I use this camera that I can control with my voice. I also have my planner that I don't use it as much as I should, because I work better with this, so that's work better for me. I don't know why. This is a beautiful gift from my friend Marina Blau Kitchen. Of course, I have paint brushes everywhere, and more here, more and more, and also markers and pencils there. Of course, the things that I use more when I'm working, that are little scissors, I don't know, cutter, craft knife, pencils, that. I also have this big notebook, because every time I make a new project, I just go and writing everything I use, so I don't forget it. Here I have my glues and double-sided tape, my noodles, and some art stones. I have Prima stuff here. I don't know, texture paste, gesso, and also some Cadence products that are also texture paste, more glues, are pebbles. In the last one I have also Cadence stuff, which are lots of patina paste, some other paste, kind of paste. What is this? And in my other trolley I have Lindy's stuff. So let's start here. So I here have the squirts, which I love. I didn't think I would love them so much, but the more I use them, the more I love them. I have here some flat Fabio that this sprays don't shine. I have lots of embossing powders here. Okay, some gold leaves and that. I have all my sprays here, my Starburst sprays, and I have them in order. like in my color charts. For example, let's say that I want this one, so it's the 5th. So I go here and it should be the 5th, and it is, yes. And in the top part of the trolley I have, okay, some more things for classes, and my big dresser, or my magicals that I really love. This is the thing I use the most, so that's why it's in the top part of the trolley. Okay, we keep going this way. I have here a door, and inside I have those are my Arduinos. All those are stamps, and I already need one more of that. I have here some stationery, some travel notebooks and maps and guides, and my photography stuff because I'm a photographer. So this is Javi little corner. That's all the space I gave him. I'm sorry, Javi. And finally I have this furniture here, and this is Javi little corner. And what I have here, I have some little guys that my sister gave me. Oh, this Aditi gave me this full of Christmas cookies last Christmas when she came to visit me. What I have here, okay, I have chaos. And this is one of my favorite places that all my stencils are here. It can seem a little messy, but it works for me. I love to have them here near. I have something behind the table, so maybe it's not the best place, but it's the only solution I found because I don't have more space. So for the legs of my table I use this kayaks furniture from IKEA. I bought these separators that are in the kitchen sections, so I can put 2 of these boxes that are also from kitchen section. So what I have here, let me show you. Here I have all kind of metal embellishments. Most of them are from Fineber and Tinholt. In this one I have tons of glitter and sequins and microbits. So here I have brats and eyelets, yeah, eyelets. This is a messy one that I have liquid watercolors, I don't know, gesso, primer. So in this one I have lace, jute rope, what else? Ribbons and that thing. Oh, more metal embellishment that should be in the other box. And I have some Prima flowers, and I have some things for Art Daily. Here I have chipots from different brands. And here what I have lots of flowers. Yeah. The flowers from Prima, and I have flowers from 49 Market. Yeah. Here I have waxes and also some Fineber rust and patina paste. Here I have the metallic acrylics from Fineber, also upside down so they don't dry. Inks. This is distress inks and the archival one. Yeah, all these are distress. I have the last one for distress sides and some other embossing powders that are not from Lindy's. Okay guys, that's all. I hope you liked my studio. I hope you can pick some ideas for yours. I have to admit I have a problem with flowers. I need to storage them better because they are everywhere now. And I see you very soon. Bye!